Okay, good morning everyone. This is Nolan with Kooima Ag, and today we're going to go inside a triolet mixer and show you what we've been working on, a new knife design for this particular mixer. This knife actually fits a lot of mixers. But we're going to show you today, specifically on the triolet wagon, what we've seen out in the field, getting dramatic increases in hay cutting results with this knife. So join me inside this wagon and we're going to show you what we found in our research and development. Here we are inside the triolet wagon, and we're in a new edition triolet wagon, so that makes a little bit a difference because triolet generally did smaller knives on the top of the auger, larger knives at the bottom, and traditionally that's all what other manufacturers do as well, but triolet changed, so they're all small all the way to the bottom now. I'm going to show you why our knives will give you better cut resistance in the research and development that we've done. Most of you know when you change your mixer knives, you usually change them because these three cutting edges are pretty smooth and wore out. Our knife is an advantage. In the same area, we have 5 teeth doing the cutting. A little thicker material, but we gave you a thin edge so it can cut sharp. We also serrated the edge, so in most cases, in all cases that we've tested, with the same time as mixing, we got more hay particles, smaller hay particles, everything cut up better and mixed better just by switching knives. The install is in the same 2 holes. There's no backing plate needed because of the special heat treat that we've done to the knife. This knife will have to be installed in the lower portions of the mixer. Okay, another thing that we found in our research and development was the bale slicer in the triolet wagon. We installed the bale slicer between the knife and the auger, get sandwiched in between. This is a very good combination on a dairy that we've tested this by. We usually put it on the 3rd knife. This is the 3rd knife from bottom and the 1st knife. So we have one installed today on the 3rd knife to show you. Bale slicers per auger. Highly recommend those knives for your triolet wagons. Okay, good morning everyone. This